Let's take a look at a really simple composition. Compare it with this composition. Which one looks more dynamic to you? Most people agree it's the one not in the center. Well, why? Let's put some lines through those dots and see how they divide up the screen space rhythmically. You have 4 regions that are the same size and shape when the dot's in the middle, but you have 4 regions of different sizes and different shapes when it's up on the thirds. This creates more rhythm and more intensity. The rule of thirds says that things tend to look good or more dynamic if they're a third of the way from an edge of the frame. You've probably been told when you're out taking photographs to not have the horizon cut the middle of the frame, right? It's nice to move the horizon down or up a little bit. None of this means that framing things dead center is bad. It doesn't. It means it carries a different dynamic, it carries a different feeling. So depending on the feeling you want, that's where you frame your subject.